Jane.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mary Jane Garrity. My brother, PFC, Charles S. Walsh, served with Kilo Company, 3rd Battalion, 9th Marines, 3rd Marine Division. His unit was on a search and destroy mission in Quang Tri Province at a place called Kalo. Kalo is a little east of Khe Sanh and just off of Route 9. His unit took on sniper fire and called in mortar support. It was March 15, 1968. PFC Charles S. Walsh was mortally wounded when a 4.2 friendly mortar fell short of its target. He was 19. Nothing would ever be the same. He was my only brother, and I miss him still. Our mom was a widow. Dad, a Korean and World War II vet, had passed away 6 years earlier. Mom said, "Thank God your father didn't live to see this." In those days, the local newspapers would publish pictures of the fallen with the names and addresses of the family. This made it easy for some to send hate mail to our house. The hate mail would have questions like, how does it feel to be the first family on the block to have your boy come home in a box? This was really hard on us, and it was especially hard on my mom. Our pain and grief was compounded by the social landscape of the times. There was no gratitude or respect for anything to do with Vietnam or the military in general. Sadly, this reminds me of the way our law enforcement officers are treated today. In vast contrast to that experience was my first trip to DC when Rolling Thunder was in town. I couldn't comprehend that all these people got it. They knew about this thing that had changed our family's life forever. They had a lot of the same feelings of abandonment and anger. They understood. These people would never forget. And there was a whole lot of them. They were everywhere. Rolling Thunder helped me realize how lucky we were that Charlie came home. At least we knew where he was, and we knew he wasn't suffering. Rolling Thunder helped me realize that there were others who were not so lucky. They didn't even get to have a funeral. Just a lot of unanswered questions, and a government that really was trying to forget and move on. Rolling Thunder saw things differently. Rolling Thunder made certain that Capitol Hill never forgot. Things weren't right, and Rolling Thunder went about fixing it. You are not the kind of people to stand around and wait for somebody else to fix the problem. You, Rolling Thunder, found a way around the political red tape, the adversity, and the lack of interest. You kept at it year after year. Rolling Thunder wanted a full accounting of our people, and you found a way to make it happen. Never Forget was about more than making our government stand up and take notice. Never Forget was about giving our lost heroes a voice they didn't have until you came along. Never Forget was about comforting families and letting them know that they were not alone. And I'm so grateful that you did that. Thank you. Thank you, Rolling Thunder, for all that you have done, for all that you stand for, and for the closure that you have provided for thousands of families. I can assure you that we will never forget you. Thank you.